welcome to this new channel. Today we're uncovering if Tesla is headed for $1,000 per share price. Right now, it is trading lower from that wild $479 high we saw late last year. Can it more than triple from here, or are we just dreaming? Let's look further into it together. So where are we at with TSLA? As of this recording, it's taken a hit this year, down about 20% or so. Still, Tesla's a big player with a market cap around $790 billion. To hit $1,000, we'd be looking at a massive $3.2 trillion valuation. Crazy, right? Let's see what the numbers tell us. All right, let's peek into the future with some analyst predictions. Over the next 12 months, the average target is about $340, with some optimists going up to $550. That's a nice 15 to 20% jump from $295, but we're still a long way from $1,000. Looking further out, some bold calls, like coin price forecast, see $1,100 by 2031 or even $1,500 by 2035. ARK Invest's Cathie Wood is super bullish, dreaming of $2,000 by 2027 if Robo-Taxis take off. But others, like Morningstar, keep it closer to $250. It's a mixed bag, so $1,000 feels like a stretch for now. What could push TSLA to $1,000? Well, production's a big one. Tesla's aiming for over 2 million cars this year, and new models like the Cybertruck might help. Then there's full self-driving, or FSD. Some say it could add $200 to $400 per share if it rolls out well. The energy business with Megapacks and Powerwalls could hit $435 billion by 2030, adding a solid chunk to the value. And Optimus, the robot, might be a long-term winner with AI. But it's a big if. Competition from BYD and supply issues like lithium are real challenges. Now, let's get to the good stuff. What's the chance of hitting $1,000? In the next 6 months, by December 2025, it looks pretty slim, maybe 5 to 10%. We'd need a miracle like FSD approval and 3 million deliveries, and with the stock feeling shaky lately, that's a tough ask. By the end of 2026, it creeps up to 15 to 25% if robotaxis and energy take off. But the real possibility, 40 to 60%, comes by 2028 to 2030. That's when we might see $150 billion in revenue and an EPS of $11 to $14, which could justify $1,000 if the market's in a good mood. Timeline-wise, late 2026 is optimistic, but 2028 to 2030 feels more doable unless Elon pulls some magic out of his sleeve. Let's be real. There are risks. BYD is outselling Tesla in EVs, and supply chain stuff like lithium shortages could slow things down. Musk's political moves with the America Party might scare off investors, and high interest rates could squeeze margins, which were only 7% last year. Plus, if the economy tanks, that $3.2 trillion dream could fade. You are probably asking right now, so Diana, is TSLA a $1,000 stock? It's possible, but it's a long game. 2028 to 2030 gives us the best shot, with a 40-60% chance if FSD, energy, and the market align. Short term, not so much, maybe 5 to 10% by year end. Keep an eye on those deliveries and FSD updates. What do you think? Would you bet on Tesla hitting $1,000? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, subscribe for more market chats, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you soon, and happy trading.